Guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC physics exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic electromagnetic fields. So guys, this video will be about resonance, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and answer this one question together. It says, in LC circuits, the inductance and capacitance are 0.5H and 0.2 μF respectively. Calculate the resonance frequency of these circuits. So guys, to simply do this, we are going to state the formula. F0 is equal to 1 over 2 pi root LC. So that's, for this question, we have L to be 0.5 and C, which is the capacitance, to be 20 times 10 to the power of -6, since it's microfarad. So in that case, we are going to impute all here. So we'll have F0 is equal to 1 over 2 times pi times root 0.5 times 20 times 10 to the power of -6, and that's it. So guys, let's go ahead and calculate this together. So guys, if you calculate this, you're going to have 50.3 Hertz, and that's it for this question, guys. Option C is the answer to this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we'll post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.